Okay, now in our optional exercise, we have the one question number 4 of the similar type that we calculated earlier. But this question we will do by the different method. Okay, so if two zeros of the polynomial, this is the polynomial given, and two zeros are 2 plus or minus root 3. That means 2 plus root 3 and another zero is the 2 minus root 3. So they are asking the rest of the zeros, right? So as we know that here our first of all polynomial, let polynomial labeling p of x is equal to x the power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x and minus 35. Okay, now zeros. Okay, given zeros. Okay, 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. These are the two zeros given to us. Okay, now we will discuss about the different method. Now we will calculate the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros. Now sum of the zeros, that is 2 plus root 3 and plus 2 minus root 3. Plus root 3 minus root 3 cancel out, so 2 plus 2 becomes 4. And the product of the zeros, 2 plus root 3 and the 2 minus root 3. So the product is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. So 2 the square 4 minus root 3 the square 3, that is 1. So sum of the zeros is 1, it's a 4, and product of the zeros is 1. And from that, earlier we discussed the formula x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros. याद है बच्चों फॉर्मूला है, मैंने अल्फा बीटा करके लिखा था x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta, right? So here I will place the sum of the zeros, that is what, 4x, and product of the zeros, that is 1. This way also we can calculate. Okay, so simply I will write down here polynomial. Because we given the p of x right now. Okay. So that means this one is a factor of our given polynomial, because this polynomial we get it from the zeros. Okay. So x square minus 4x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. And now we will calculate the remaining zeros after performing the division. So x the power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x and minus 35. When I divide this polynomial by x square minus 4x plus 1, so I will get the quotient. Now do the division. The first term of the quotient we can get it after dividing first term of the dividend, that divided by the first term of the divisor. What left? From the 4 I subtract the 2 powers, so rest of the part is 2, x the power 2. X the power 2 multiply with all the 3 terms, x square multiply with x square, x the power 4, x square multiply with 4x minus 4x cube, x square multiply with 1 plus 1x square, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, and plus becomes minus. This one will be cancelled out, and these are the like terms. So subtraction 6 and 4, that is minus 2x cube. Here subtraction, that is both the terms have the same sign, minus minus. So addition 27x square. Here plus 138x should be carried. Okay. Now first term of the dividend minus 2x cube, that should be divided by the first term of the divisor, that is the x square. So from the 3 I subtract the 2 powers, so remaining is minus 2x. That is the second term of my quotient. So minus 2x which one. Clear? And minus 2x multiply with all the 3 terms, and we will write down here. So minus plus minus 2x multiply with x square, 2x cube, minus minus plus 2x multiplied with 4x, 8x square, minus plus minus 2x multiplied with 1, 2x. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. This one will be cancelled out. These are the items have the same sign minus, so answer is negative. And addition 27 plus 8. How much? 35x square. Okay. Now 138x positive and 2x also positive to make the addition, plus 140x. Now carry one last term, minus 35. Okay. Now for the first term of the dividend, minus 35x square, and first term of the divisor, that is the x square. X square cancel out. How much left? Minus 35. So my third term of the quotient, that is minus 35. Minus 35 when I multiply here, so I will get the minus 35 x square. Here it's a minus minus plus 140x plus minus minus 35 ones are 35. When I subtract here, plus minus and plus, cancel out, cancel out, cancel out. So 0. That means our polynomial p of x can be written down in this form. One polynomial that from the given zeros and divisor multiply quotient plus remainder 0. So x square minus 2x minus 35. Okay, and this one already given to us from our zeros, so this one gives the remaining zeros. So x square minus 2x minus 35 gives remaining zeros. So now to find out the zeros, simply we have to compare this polynomial with 0 and do the factorization. First term coefficient is 1, last term coefficient is minus 35. The product is minus 35. Now the two factors of 35, see the product is negative. So we require two factors of 35, that subtraction should be middle term 2. So it's a 7, 5 are 35. That subtraction is 2. Now subtraction take place, so one dividing factor, splitting factor, that is positive, another one is negative. So middle term sign gives to the greater factor and opposite to the smaller factor. So x square from the minus 2x, what the two splitting term? One is the minus 7 and x, and plus second 5x, and minus 35 equal to 0. Now these first two terms and these two last terms. From the first two terms, what we can take it common? X. So from the x square, x left and minus 7. From the rest of the two terms, we can take it common 5. So how much left from the first term? X minus 7. Okay, so my one factor is x minus 7 and another factor is x plus 5, that is equal to 0. So when I compare here, so x minus 7 is equal to 0, otherwise x plus 5 equal to 0. So I get x equal to what? Plus 7, and here x equal to minus 5. So plus 7 and the minus 5, they are the remaining zeros.